everyone, I'm going to show you how to install QuillBot on your PC. So to start, open any browser and search for QuillBot. So you can go to quillbot.com, and once you're here, what you need to do is to click the three dots at the top right, then scroll down and go to Cast, Save and Share, and tap on Install Page as App. You can also save page as, and you can also create shortcut. So let's install this page. So once you click that, you can rename the platform in here. You can also click on install to confirm the action, and it will be installed to your PC just like that. Next method, so you can also go to Microsoft Store and search for QuillBot. So as you can see, you can also install it from here. So just click on get. So it's preparing to download. So it might take a few minutes. So just wait for it to finish. Once done, click on open. So you can then go ahead and sign in with your QuillBot account and use it as usual. You can click the logo down here to pin it. So just click pin to taskbar and it will be pinned. Now if you want to uninstall QuillBot, just go to start menu and go to settings. Then you can go to apps at the left side. Go to installed apps and search for QuillBot. Then go ahead and click the three dots at the right side and click on uninstall, and click uninstall once more to delete the app. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.